Hey guys, so I'm at Cafe Landmarks. The last time we were here, we had to wait about 40 minutes in line to get a seat. This time we kind of just walked in because somebody else had cancelled, so it was really good timing. Really curious to see how the food is. Today is Australia Day and my parents have been hunting restaurants that had like Australian food or like Australian meat. But we're gonna have a nice Aussie meal, I think. This is rocket and parmesan. This is broccoli that looks like maybe crunchy garlic. This is the Aussie beef with some sort of potato, surf and turf with Aussie beef again, and rack of lamb. I'm not that impressed. I'm not having much luck with the more higher end restaurants in Hong Kong. Pretty disappointed. That whole thing cost about just under 10,000 pesos. The beef was quite nice. The mashed potatoes definitely weren't fresh. They may have been from like yesterday or maybe even the day before. The only really fresh thing on the plate was the vegetables and they were undercooked. 6 out of 10.